Oh my goodness. Well. Oh, 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 oh. Ah. Oh, it's hail. This is a Deeside. I was at the vegan festival. Oh, yes. Oh. Well, the poor animals if they're outside. Oh dear, dear, dear. This is the Saturday the 15th of June 2024. I'm in Deeside near Chester and I'm stuck in the car park of the leisure centre because in this summer, the weather, we've got hail. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. Right, anyway, well, yeah. Oh, it's just awful. Well, so's that. Baby cows die because humans rape the mothers. It's not natural. Oh, no, no. It's just horrid. And they kill them. They kill the babies and the baby male chicks. It was just awful. Anyway, this little calf is killed and the mother, stop whining about. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not driving off now. Woof woof. He's sleeping. Little darling. There was lightning. There was lightning. Well, yes. All the dinosaurs are in here. It's okay, boyo. It's okay, boyos. Oh dear. 15th of June, not 21st. Well, they're predicting that's going to continue like this, so I'm not camping in this. I've got all these new tents. I haven't been out camping once yet. Well, I mean, what have I done? Anyway, this is my new lipstick. It's Plum, Seductive Plum. Yeah, I must take my glasses off to look better. Plum is the in colour to have. It's very gothic. Anyway, well, this is very gothic, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Look, it's bouncing on that car. It's bouncing. Oh my goodness. Hail in the middle of June. 15th of June 2024, Northern Europe. Britons in Europe, Brexiteers. Oh dear. Well, I'm steaming up in here. What a racket. Oh my goodness, it's like snow over there. Well, I'm glad I hadn't set off. I think this is dangerous driving. Oh, I can stay here. Look at that, it's like snow. Let's see. Oh, you see my lipstick's on the thing. Yeah, anyway, where was I? I'm gonna... Oh! 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 There you go. It's easing off. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Hail. Hey. This is... Climate change affected by animal agriculture the worst. Every time you eat a beef burger, piece of a cow, yep, it's like the same effect on the climate as driving 250 miles in a fossil-fuelled car. Right. Oh, listen now. It's eased up. We've still got the hailstones. It's raining like, you know. Now it's normal rain. Oh, look at those skies. Look at those clouds. It's dark and angry. Yes, well, we're in nature. Right. Shut the door now. Right. Oh, look at that. Wow. What a racket. Now it's peaceful. And it's just... Did you hear the thunder? Did you hear the thunder? Down under. Ba-ba. Yes, it's been lightning. Did you hear that thunder? There we go.